This is one of the largest lifestyle boxes out there on the market. The Balance Company sends so many products every season. So today we're going to be checking out the Spring 2026 box and see what's inside. So this is what it looks like inside of the spring box. Do you not see how many products there are? Oh my gosh, and it smells good too. I'm not sure what's in here. There's gotta be some, I'm thinking right down there, maybe that aroma product? What is that? It looks like soap. It smells really good. So we're gonna start with the soap because I think this is what's smelling so good. And look, we get a trio. So even though technically this is our first item, it's basically our first 3 items. So we have 3 bars of soap, all different scents. We have sandal and turmeric. We also have lavender and neem. I don't know what neem is, but I'm guessing it smells wonderful because they all do. And then the last bar is Himalayan rose. So these are designed for all different skin types, but it will list on here which ones they're designed for. For the record, I don't even have to open these up and I can totally smell them. They smell so good. This is so clean, but also, I mean, not just clean, but it's refreshing. But it's also a great scent that goes through your sinuses, so it smells like you're taking a breath of fresh air. Does that make sense? It's just like, oh, I can breathe. Next up inside of our box, we have some large body wipes. These are shower sheets that you can take with you on the go. So these ones are supposed to instantly cleanse, refresh, and deodorize your skin. There are 12 wipes included inside of this box. It is a full-size box. These are large body wipes, so it says if you don't have time and you don't have time to shower, no worries, just tear open the oversized, super soft, moist wipe, and you can instantly cleanse and refresh every inch of your skin. These are great for travel, yoga, surfing, camping, hiking, festival going, or just if you're on the go. And on top of all of that, they are cruelty-free and vegan, but then they also mention over here that they don't have anything harsh for ingredients in here. They have sustainable packaging and a natural aroma. So it's no additional fragrance added to these. They're just a natural scent. So here's what the package looks like. And then like I mentioned, you get a whole box of these. I love that they gave us the whole box because some subscription boxes out there will send you just one versus we're getting the entire kit, which is awesome. Next up, we have Dirty Lamb in here. I love this brand. This is a great natural brand. So if you're looking for clean beauty that's vegan, cruelty-free, and then has plant-based ingredients, look at Dirty Lamb. They have really good products. So this particular one is their body serum, and it is full size, 2 ounce or 60 ml. So you can put this all over your body and it's going to give you hydration for your skin. It's also going to work on keeping that barrier up so that way you're not losing moisture out of your skin throughout the day. So even if it's dry outside, you can stay hydrated. Well, at least your skin can. You may still need to drink water, but you know what I mean. Holy bananas, there are a lot of products in here. I'm just getting through the first layer and I can see everything down below. It's a good feeling. So this is the next item that I have inside. This is the chamomile. It's in English on the other side. I was like, I don't understand what any of this is saying. We have Blue Nile chamomile herbal tea. That sounds much better. So this is all made in Canada. And we have 18 tea bags inside of this box. They do contain caffeine, but it is natural caffeine just coming from the tea leaves. So these ones are fresh. You can use these until 2027 is when they expire. So you've got quite a while to drink your tea. We've got another beauty product inside of the box. This one is a full-size moisture boost mist. So it has hyaluronic acid inside of this and you can spritz this all over. It also has bio-designed collagen. This not only gives you hydration, but it's gonna lock them in to give you a dewy glow look. Ooh, all right. I will take a dewy look. So here's what it looks like. Man, that's beautiful. Love that color. Good size bottle. I love that it's full size, 6 ounces or 178 ml. Product number 6 is going to be this gorgeous bag. How cute is this for spring? I love the little flowers on here. So this is going to be a travel bag that you can put all of your new beauty products in. Take it with you if you need to put your shower wipes in there. I love that we have a travel theme going on this season. Ooh, this looks fun. We have a mask set. So the brand is Pop Mask. There are 3 masks inside of this box, and it's called the Glow Getter. So it's a self-warming steam mask. Oh, even better. So it's like going to the spa, but at home. And that's honestly awesome because you don't have to leave your house. So there are 3 masks in here that will actually get warm. They're going to help to promote collagen. They also are going to improve circulation and assist in hydrating your skin. This will boost your skincare routine so you can incorporate it in with any other products. And it says it's also affordable because it's all the benefits of a spa without the price tag. So this is what the packaging looks like then when you take one of these out of the box. Keep in mind there's 1 mask in each pouch and there are 3 pouches inside of the box set. So again, she could have sent us just one of these, but we got the entire box, which is awesome. Product number 8 is a full-size mascara. This is a black mascara from Catrice. So they are the Hyper Lash Mascara. So this is supposed to give you volume and length. It's additionally going to give it some curl at the end of your lashes as well. So the shade is called Electric Black, which is why I think it's got this like electric vibe. It is fun. Ooh, look at this fat wand. Holy bananas, do you see all the fibers? I mean, this is loaded. This, honestly, it looks like a pine tree. Like, you know what I mean? I have evergreens around here that look this fat. Well, if you want volume, this will definitely do it. That brush is impressive. We also have a supplement inside of the spring box. This is from a brand called Light Body. So we have 30 capsules inside of this bottle. This is supposed to help with eye support. So this is going to cut down on dryness, and it's also going to help support your eyes with all the nutrients that it needs. But it says it will help to filter out blue light, it will support the retinal and macular health, and target eye strain and any dryness that you might have. Now they want you to take 1 of these a day. There's 30 supplements in here, so you've got a month's supply included in your spring box. So I have not tried these myself, so I can't give you a review on them. However, they do mention that they are gluten-free, non-GMO, dairy-free, and also keto-friendly. So the next item that we have in our spring box is a box of mints. I'm telling you, we are definitely traveling with this spring box because I'm taking my mints with me now. These are ginger mints. So that's different. I mean, it's not every day you get ginger. I mean, I see peppermint and cinnamon all the time, but ginger is very different. The next item that we have in here is from Uni. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's their Count to Zen Rejuvenating Hand and Body Cream. So we have a travel size bottle here, 1 ounce or 30 ml. It is still cruelty-free and vegan. Last item inside of our box, you guys. What was this? Is this 12? I think we're at product 12 right now, and we have a journal. So this is the Intention Journal, 365 Days of Intentions. Oh, okay. There's something I already like, you guys. So I just opened this up, and already I love the fact that even though it's a hardback book, look at how it lays flat. I am so picky when it comes to my books or my journals, but I need them to lay flat, especially when you are writing. I don't want to get that curve in the center here. So I love that this is a flat book already. So every day you're going to go through and it's going to have some different tutorials, instructions of what you're going to write about, and it's going to guide you through this process. So on this day it says, I intend to release the need to control outcomes. The next day says, I intend to focus on self-compassion during difficult moments. And then it's got plenty of space for you to journal along with it. So I love that you get a full year. I mean, you just got to remember to do this every day. And then it's also got stickers at the front. So that way it will keep you motivated. You can finish different sections in here. There's a lot of different stickers too. I mean, there's like several pages. And the very first chapter is starting with health and wellness, but it will change up every 30 days with a different theme. So that is everything inside of the spring lifestyle box from the Balance Company. Comment down below. Let me know, what do you guys think of this quarter's box? I mean, per usual, it is packed. It is full of goodies in here. You are getting so many great things that not only can you use right away, but you get to use all year long. So if you guys want to get this exact box, it is currently shipping. Again, I will be posting that link down below and a discount code for you guys. This is what you will receive in your spring box. The only exception I noticed inside of the booklet is that this bag, everyone will be receiving a makeup bag, but the pattern itself could vary from box to box, but they are all super cute. Let me show you a quick photo. I opened up this booklet and saw all of these. Look at how adorable they are. So you're gonna get one of these patterns inside of your box, but they're all really cute. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in our next unboxing video. Bye.